In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from Casino in GTA San Andreas. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Your money can actually go into the negatives, as you can see on this screenshot here. And this can be done by going over to the casino and playing hands. And if you lose while not having enough money, for example, let's say you have $0 on you and you lose a game, your money will actually go into the negative and you will be in debt with the casino. You can keep going and doing this until you have amassed a very large debt, as you can see on this screenshot. Now, initially, there won't be any consequences. Your money will be in the negative, and every time that you acquire money, it will help you go back into the positive. However, if you stay like this for long, you will actually start getting calls from the casino owner. So he's going to start threatening you over and over and over and again. To my knowledge, there are more than 10 custom dialogues. So he will periodically call you. He will start off by requesting you to pay him kindly. Then he will start to threaten you, and eventually he will actually send a debt collector to kill you and receive the payment. So you can stand your ground and defeat the debt collector, or if you want to make things right, after your money is in the positive, you can just go over to the casino and pay them back. But there's no easy way to directly go in there and borrow money. You will automatically borrow money when you lose games and you are on $0, which is going to prompt your balance to go into the negative. There's no way to just walk up and ask for money. So let's say, for example, you have 10,000 already on you and your money is positive. You can't simply ask for 5,000 more. It will automatically be used from your balance. So keep that in mind. Even though you can borrow money, this will be done automatically and you can't manually request to borrow it. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from Casino in GTA San Andreas. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.